As a leading supplier of contract electronic manufacturing services, Kasdon has built a strong reputation over the past 25 years, offering a full turnkey PCB and product build solution to OEMs, both here in the UK and around the world. From advising on product design, through prototyping and pre-production builds for new product introductions, and onwards through to volume production, Kasdon leverages their engineering and technical team's long-established experience of delivering projects with various complexities and requirements. Located in the heart of the UK, Kasdon is a well-financed and privately owned company. Our experienced and dedicated team operate from their secure, state-of-the-art production facility. Kasdon has maintained its continued success with a strategy of continued investment in technology, alongside rigorous training and development of our dedicated team. We believe that our best assets are our staff, who are committed to achieving the highest levels of efficiency, productivity, customer experience, and overall product quality. With Kasdon's advanced ERP system, inventory shortages are highlighted before they become an issue. The ERP system helps to drive demand through forecast data, providing clients with the reassurance of a reliable supply chain. For additional peace of mind, Kasdon can offer and maintain the use of buffer stock agreements to help set up a minimum to maximum demand and supply products in line with your requirements. Using the most advanced production planning tools, Kasdon track individual batches of stock through the procurement cycle, into the warehouse, and each step of the manufacturing process and product test, then onwards into completion and shipping, whilst also ensuring that clients are provided with real-time updates on their projects. Kasdon's manufacturing facility includes state-of-the-art automated surface mount lines, capable of achieving 1 million placements per shift, including single and double-sided assembly of PCBs, advanced microelectronics, and odd-form components. Kasdon also have a large capacity for assembling through-hole products, with both manual and automatic processes employed. With the skills and experience in designing and manufacturing box build solutions, Kasdon are an industry leader in this market, delivering quality systems with specifications and standards that are second to none. Kasdon's reputation for quality, in line with the ISO 9001 and advanced IPC A610 standards, combined with continued investment into people and test machinery, forms the foundation of building and supplying quality products to clients first time, every time. Kasdon Electronics, your UK contract electronics manufacturing partner.